I turned $8 into 360 in 19 minutes. The market tried to suck me into going long right at the open. I didn't take the bait. Here's the exact setup I used instead and why I don't mind buying a cheap option when I already know the trend. This is Peter Bain, founder of the PR Bain channel on YouTube. Thank you for joining in. I call this video Pennies on the Dollar, how I turned $8 into 360 US in 19 minutes. That's pretty cool, I think. So here are the details. Let's just go through the details before I get into the chart itself. We're talking about an IWM 303 put, 17 August 2026. I got in at $8 times 30 options. That's $240 US. I got out at $20 times 30 options. That's $600 in 19 minutes, a profit of $360 US in 19 minutes. Here is a picture of a screenshot of my trading account. Open to close, IWM 303 put, sell to close, IWM 303 put. In at 8 cents or $8, $8 because it controls 100 shares. Out at 20 cents or $20. Profit of $360 in 19 minutes. I think that's pretty cool. I wanted to show you this because I wanted to show you that you can make a lot of money trading cheap options. I trade IWM and SPY daily expiry options mainly because they're cheap and profitable. So I want you to avoid that sucking sound, and I'm going to show you what that means. The market makers are evil SOBs, and let me show you why I say that. On this particular day, price was rising on the 1-minute chart, then recovered, and the market makers tried to suck us in by going long, but I didn't fall for it. I then saw a 1, 2, 3 top, and this is where I went short. This is where I caught the $8 trade on a short. You can see here we had the 5 EMA punching down through the 21 EMA. Good angle and separation. This is what you're looking for. Also notice MACD moved in concert with the EMAs. We had a 1, 2, 3 top, the 5 EMA punching down through the 21, MACD punching down through its trigger line. We have a confluence of events here telling us that we should go short. This is where I went short. This is where I picked up my profit in here. So don't fall for the market makers trying to suck you in at the beginning of a trading day. They usually like to do that. Up, down, up they go, 1, 2, 3, and then down. I'm very patient in the morning. I want to wait to see what the market makers are really going to do. And in this particular case, after they tried to suck us into going long, we had a 1, 2, 3 top, and then boom, down she went. This was a good, profitable run down. So don't fall for the market maker shenanigans early in the morning. I like to get my trading done between 6:30 and 9 Eastern time. That's 9:30 and noon. I'm sorry, that was Pacific time, 9:30 and noon Eastern time, and then be done with it for the day. I like to get in and out. I don't like to linger in the market too long for fear that the market makers might be trying to do some foolish trick. So here are the details of my trading account. I wanted to show you how I engineered this trade so that you can do it in your own trading platform. This is a copy of my trading platform. You can see that I've dockered it up because I'm using an old chart, but I got in on an 8-cent option, IWM, 303 put. I bought 30 options. This was August 17th, 2026, daily expiry. 30 options times $8 is $240. And The reason I want to explain something to you. The reason I chose to use a really cheap option was the fact that I knew what the trend was. I bought the option in here and I knew what the trend was. So I knew that if I bought an $8 option, price would have invariably increased from $8 up to $20 and beyond. And that's exactly what happened. So I don't mind buying cheap options when I know what the trend is. So if you like what you just heard and saw, please subscribe to my channel, PR Bain channel on YouTube. And thank you for attending this session.